Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alex. If you're new, today I am going to be showing you how you can use eyeshadow for your lip product. What? Somebody actually requested this. I can't remember if they like commented that it would be a cool idea or if they requested specifically for me to show them how to do this. Can't remember, but I was like, oh, it is a good idea. So shout out to you. This is actually something that I used to do in high school a lot. So we're gonna do it. So there's a couple different ways that you can approach this. Essentially, what you need are your eyeshadows and some kind of a gloss or a balm. It could be petroleum jelly, okay? It could be Vaseline. It could be whatever lip gloss you've got lying around. It could be clear, it could be pink, it could be brown, whatever the hell, doesn't matter, okay? You obviously just wanna keep in mind that if you're using a colorful gloss, it's going to combine with whatever products, whatever eyeshadow colors you're putting on your lips and create a different color. So just obviously keep that in mind. I mean, duh, right? Like you're mixing colors, whatever. The first way that you can do this is to take a little bit of eyeshadow. I have my HINDASH, which one's this? Oh yeah, MONOCHROMANCE. God, his names are so fucking good. HINDASH MONOCHROMANCE. This was a Valentine's Day collection. Palette, which I thought would be really great for lip products because we have some cool toned taupey colors, some warmer tones, we have pinks, we've got salmon, and then like these are just fun, you know what I mean? Like I just feel like this palette in general, you could really mix a lot. You could scrape some colors onto a surface, a palette. This is dirty. This is very dirty. This one's from About Face. I use this to mix my pants, obviously. You could use a surface like this and then put a little bit of a gloss or a like a Vaseline or whatever the fuck onto the palette and then just mix it together. And then, you know, add a little bit more powder depending on like the consistency that you want. And then there you go, dude. You've got like, you know, essentially a cream lipstick. Again, depending on like how much powder you use. Or the way that I would prefer it is going in with the powder on your lips first and then applying a gloss on top. So that's what we're gonna do today. If you wanna see the other way sometime, let me know and I will film that for you. So I'm gonna zoom you on in. I just took off all my lip products, so my lips are a little bit dry. So in terms of brushes, you're gonna want some detailed brushes, okay? Detail. I gotta wash all of these. It's too full. I can't even find anything in here. Like, where did it go? I refuse to give up on this brush. I refuse. Oh, here it is. Ha ha ha. Okay. All my brushes are dirty. When I say all my brushes are dirty, I really mean it. Okay, so I want some detailed brushes to begin with, because like when you do your lips, most of the time you start off with a lip liner. Most of the time, maybe not. So if not, you could skip this part. But you're gonna want some detail. So I've got the REPHR 23. Look at this little guy. And then the REPHR 03. Okay, basically the same brush. One's bigger, one's smaller. So it's gonna be preference. I'm gonna start off, I think, with the 03. So if you wanna mix colors, then the way that I do it with regular old eyeshadow, I just tap back and forth between colors in the palette using my brush. So I'm gonna start off with Ego. How am I gonna do this? Ego. Start with Ego. I'm gonna go into the middle of whatever that says. I can't read it back and forth. Can't read it backwards. In the middle of that, I'm gonna go back into Ego. So I'm just tapping between these two shades right now. Create like a little bit of a contour color. I'm gonna use this. Ooh, I'm sorry. Did I just match my lip color perfectly? Sorry about it. I'm pretty sure I did. Dude, I'm a genius. All right, anyway. So I'm gonna slightly overline my lips. Okay. Same way I would apply lip liner. Went a little high on this end, that's okay. I'm gonna do it again. I'm tapping into Ego between the salmon colors, back into Ego. Contouring at the corners. So I'm gonna do this on my lower lip. I was gonna say lash. Okay, it's a little bit warmer. It's slightly warmer than my lip color, but It's pretty damn close, bro. It's pretty damn close. I'm going to use the little guy, the 23, just to sharpen up on this side because it's a little bit harder to see. It's not quite as sharp. She's overlining her lips today. A lot of people don't like that. Maybe I should tone it down a little bit. I'm gonna use my REPHR 21 brush and I guess just a little bit of my foundation. Smashbox Always On. Just gonna bring this back to reality a little bit. I just want them to be more even. Look at that color. That color's so pretty. I think I really nailed it. Okay. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E54 brush, this little guy, and I'm going to pick up Heavy, this nice pale pink color on that shadow brush. And I'm going to place this in the center of my lips. And as I get closer to this area, like where my lip line is, I'm going to tap into this guy and then like right in the center of these pinks. So I'm doing the same thing that I did with those first shades and just blending. Okay, dry lip people are probably cringing like crazy right now. Let's put some gloss on. Now, obviously I can use a colorful gloss. This one is from About Face Beauty. Obviously this is like more of a brown, more of like a warm brown. So if I put this over top, it's going to really like adjust the way the colors look. I really like the colors. So I'm gonna use something clear. Now you could just use a lip gloss, obviously, a lip balm. I'm gonna use AQUAPHOR because it's right here. So why not? So I'm gonna pick this up with my REPHR 21 brush. This flat little guy. I'm just gonna blend over top, starting in the center. And then out. All right guys, so that is one way that you can use eyeshadow as your lip product. So beautiful. Really love the colors that I created here. It's like a really nice way to just kind of like customize because you probably have like a ton of eyeshadows that you can use to create custom colors. It's not, you don't necessarily, most people probably don't have like a million different lipsticks, you know, most people. But you probably have at least a couple eyeshadow palettes that have like quite a range. And you can do this with blush and stuff like that too. So just like any powder, like don't be afraid to just like mix things and experiment, you know? Let me know if you want to see this in the other way. I will definitely film that for you. I feel like that would maybe be a little bit more friendly to like deeper colors like reds, depending on your skin tone. If it's like a more bold color on your skin tone, I feel like that would work a little bit better. But I would be down to try either. Like maybe we could do a red, like a deeper shade for my skin tone next time. Let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, it's very comfortable, looks beautiful, love, matches my nails like crazy. Hello? Are you kidding me? Stop it. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up and subscribe and all the stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.